Yet another question on geometric progression. The question says that the first three terms of a geometric progression, GP, they are k minus 3, 2k minus 4, and 4k minus 3. We have to find the value of k and the sum of the first 8 terms. Alright, let's solve. Now, this sequence is a geometric progression. The value of k is unknown, so we cannot easily say what the first term is, what the second term is, and what the third term is. So when you see problems like this, use the formula for the common ratio. For a geometric progression, the common ratio is the second term divided by the first term. And this is equivalent to the third term upon the second term. Alright? So we use this formula to solve. The second term is 2k minus 4. So I'm saying that 2k minus 4 divided by the first term k minus 3. K minus 3 is equal to what the third term? 4k minus 3. 4k minus 3 divided by the second term, which is 2k minus 4. 2k minus 4. This is an equation. I'll cross multiply. This multiply this, this multiply this. So 2k minus 4 times 2k minus 4. 2k minus 4 multiply 2k minus 4 is equal to k minus 3 multiply 4k minus 3. Alright. If I open this bracket, 2k times 2k is 4k squared. 2k times minus 4, that's minus 8k. 4 times minus 4 times 2k is still minus 8k. Minus 4 times minus 4 is plus 16. This is equal to k times 4k, that's 4k squared. K times minus 3, minus 3k. Minus 3 times 4, minus 12k. Minus 3 times minus 3 is positive 9. So this is a quadratic equation, okay. It looks quadratic, but it's going to become linear. There's 4k squared here at the left. There's 4k squared here at the right. Both of them have the same sign, plus, plus. They can easily cancel out, leaving us with a linear equation. So minus 8k minus 8k is minus 16k plus 16. Minus 3k minus 12k is minus 15k, then plus the 9 we have there. Minus 16k is here, plus 15k is equal to 9 minus 16. Minus 16 plus 15 is minus 1, so this is minus 1k. 9 minus 16 is how many? That should be 8 or so. Sorry. 9 minus 16, okay, minus 7. That's minus 7. Therefore, k equals to 7, because minus we cancel minus. So the value of k, for which these values form a geometric progression, is 7. The question asks us to determine the sum of the first 8 terms of the sequence. Okay, for a geometric sequence, Sn, which is the sum, is a into 1 minus r to the n over 1 minus r. Or we use the other one. Sn is a into r n minus 1 over r minus 1. To determine which one we are going to use depends on the value of the common ratio. If the common ratio is less than 1, that's smaller than 1, we use the first one. If it is bigger than 1, we use the second one. So first of all, let me determine what the common ratio is for this particular geometric series or geometric sequence. K is 7. So if k is 7, if I plug in 7 here, 7 minus 3, that's 4. The first term is 4. 2 times 7 is 14. 14 minus 4, that will be 10. The second term is 10. I hope you know what I'm doing. I'm plugging 7 for k now. 4 times 7 is 28. 28 minus 3 is 25. And so on. Well, these are the first 3 terms. So the common ratio is the second term divided by the first term. The second term is 10. So the common ratio as it is the second term divided by the first term. The second term is 10. The first term is 4. 2 here is 5. 2 here is 2. 5 over 2. Let's verify that from the second one. 25 over 10. 5 here is 5. 5 here is 2. The same 5 over 2. That means we are correct. So the common ratio is 5 over 2. And 5 over 2 is 2.5, right? Yes, 2.5. So you can see that 2.5, which is the common ratio, is bigger than 1. So I'll be using the second formula. So using S of n equals A into R to the n minus 1 over R minus 1. What's the common ratio just now? It is 5 over 2, which is 2.5. So I can either use 5 over 2 or 2.5, but let me use 2.5 since it's easy to operate with. A is the first term, and the first term for the sequence is 4. So that will be 4 into R is what? R is the common ratio, and that is 2.5. Okay, just watch. The question asks us to determine the sum of the first 8. So n will be equal to 8 because that's the number of terms you are looking for the sum of. So this is raised to the power 8 minus 1 divided by R is 2.5 minus 1. So let's evaluate. Let me have my calculator. First of all, 2.5 raised to the power of 8. What will it give me? 2.5 raised to the power of 8. Oh, that's a big number. 1525.8789065. Then let me just say minus 1. You get minus 1. Okay, that'll be this is 4 outside. 1524.879 to 3 decimal places. 1524.879 to 3 decimal places. So everything here is equal to this, to 3dp. Divided by 2.5 minus 1 is that should be 1.5, right? 2.5 minus 1, yes, 1.5. So I'll do this now. 1524.879 divided by 1.5. That will give me a value 1016.586. So I'll be having 4 times 1016.586. So multiply this result by 4 times it by 4 is going to be 4066.344. Okay, 4066.344. So if I approximate this to the nearest whole number, it's going to be 4066. Okay, so let me leave it like this. You can approximate it if you are solving on your own. So this is it. The value of k for this sequence is 7, and the sum of the first 8 terms is this. That's how we handle questions like this involving unknown values. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video. Subscribe, like, and share this video to your friends and to your classmates. Very important.